I've had this cookie and ice cream scoop set for a year now, and I use it all the time when I'm baking cookies, cupcakes, or muffins. Before getting this, I was just using a regular spoon, and nothing ever came out the same size. This has definitely made baking easier and more consistent, which I love. The set comes with 3 different scoop sizes, which is great because everything comes out evenly sized, so things bake more evenly and they just look nicer too. They're also really versatile. I've used them for ice cream, cookies, cupcakes, muffins, meatballs, and even energy balls. They're made from sturdy stainless steel and feel really solid in your hand. The trigger release works smoothly, so the dough comes out clean without sticking, and the non-slip grip makes them comfortable to use. After a year of regular use, they've held up really well with no issues at all. I just toss them in the dishwasher when I'm done, and they're ready to go for the next time. If you bake often or you just want a simple tool that saves time and keeps things consistent, this cookie and ice cream scoop set is such a helpful addition to your kitchen.